Focus on developing your skills. It's a skill world. We don't ask you your capacity, your scorecard in the mark list. And what's the grade you secured in your mark list? No need. This is not the world of scores. It's the era of ChatGPT. It's the era of knowledge. Knowledge we can gain from everyone. It was okay. It was the score, and your understanding, your memory capacity will be required when the age of 80s and 90s, where the information was lacking. Now information is on the fingertip, no need. But your skill matters. When the people are coming to our office for the interview, for the job interview, we ask, what can you do for us? What the capability you have to make it possible? So develop your skill. Yes. Few things, few skill you have to build. Public speaking skill is an important skill everyone should have, because let people listen to you, let people understand you, and you can build your image in others' minds. The public speaking will skill, and then let people understand what the knowledge you have, what the capability you have. And always, if you have a skill in sports, if you have a skill in arts, focus on developing it. And along with that, you have to build a few things. The capacity to read. Focus on reading on a daily basis. You don't need to read entire books in a day. Just build a habit of reading 2 pages in a day. Maintain that discipline. You don't need a 20 page. You don't need to read a 20 page in a day. You just read 2 pages in a day. But in long hours, it will become your habit, and it will be easy for you 200 pages at a time. Do you know who is Elon Musk, right? Yes. What is the best quality he has? He always think different. When the people are thinking about doing the business of an ordinary business, he started the business in a shape taxi between the space and earth. How he could think like that when the people could not think or imagine something like that? And his spaces is something, a fascinating dream where most of the people could not make it. Only because read a book in a week. We read a book in a year. May not. Most of the people did not read a single book in a whole 2 or 5 years, isn't it? Ask your parents. Most of the people did not read a book in 5 years, but he read a book in a week. I'm not asking you to read an entire book in a week, but at least if you could complete a book, understand a book in 2 months, it will completely change your mindset capacity. Develop your skill. Focus on. So choose how to get the skill developed. Skill development is required. Discipline, my dear friend. My dear students, my dear kids, discipline is everything. You know that. How many of you heard about Sachin Tendulkar? Everyone. Who is Sachin Tendulkar? Cricket player. He was an Indian cricket player. Still, he's an Indian and the proud Indian cricket player. He secured almost every records on his name when he was playing. How he could become a champion, world champion? Do you know that? There were 2 friends. One was Sachin Tendulkar, the other was 𝐂𝐀𝐒. Do you heard about him? 𝐂𝐀𝐒. He was his fellow player. He was highly talented, physically highly capable. And they were both playing in the same high school. And there was a tournament happened in the schools, and they all secured century. And when the coaches and the teachers were observing their games, people were saying that 𝐂𝐀𝐒 is far better than Sachin Tendulkar. But Sachin Tendulkar came to enter Indian team 3-4 years before into 𝐂𝐀𝐒. 𝐂𝐂𝐀𝐒 was in the Indian cricket team, I think 4 or 5 years. And he left. And the team actually went off. And Sachin has played around 23 years in Indian cricket team, and he retired from the ground around his 40s or 41s. Sachin Tendulkar has not so tall, not so physically fit, and he had a lot of challenges in left side, and he has challenges in facing bounce balls, and very limited capability when it compared to Rahul Dravid, his companion in those periods. But how Sachin could make this great success? Only because the discipline he had maintained. The discipline. He had a habit of doing 3 hours net practice every day when there is no international cricket. Every day. Vinod Kambli was highly talented. Yuvraj Singh was highly talented. Rahul Dravid was highly talented than Sachin Tendulkar. Most of every cricket player was highly talented, but Sachin was the top only because Sachin was highly disciplined than talent. Not the talent make heroes. Talent will not create heroes. Discipline creates heroes. Do you know Mammootty, the actor Mammootty? Can you tell me what are the skill Mammootty has? Acting. In which sector? Which area? Malayalam actor, we know that. In which? Is he a highly inspiring romantic hero? No, he don't know how to act as a romantic hero. You don't know. Is he know how to act as a comedian actor? No, his comedy is a tragedy. Does he is an action hero? No, he's as a physical challenge. You don't do that. Does he dance? Not at all. You don't dance. You don't know how to dance. You don't know how to perform as a romantic hero. You don't know what how the comedian actors doing comedy. You can't perform. He has only a single area. Where it is? It's sentiments. Sentiments and dialogue delivery. You can see the great actors than him in the Malayalam industry. Mukesh, Jagadish, Siddiq, all are them better than Mammootty when it comes to. But Mammootty is highly focused, highly disciplined. He has refined his capacity to perform in the screen. And he always sharpening his capacity. He is highly disciplined. My difference is not about the talent. It's about the goal and the discipline you have maintained. So keep the discipline in your life. I can see the great successful people here inside, in front of me, in this hall. And all your dream will become reality. You just bridge your dream into reality with discipline. Thank you so much. Have a great life ahead.